हेलो नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल मास्टरमाइंड में आप सभी लोग का स्वागत करता हूं। मैं हूं अश्विन कुमार। दोस्तों, आज इस वीडियो के माध्यम में मैं आपके साथ सेल के पूरा एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करूंगा। पूरा का पूरा जितना भी सेल चैप्टर से बनता है एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन मैं डिस्कस करूँगा इस वीडियो के माध्यम से। तो वीडियो पर बने रहिए, वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखिए। आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ? आंसर, सेल। Cell was first discovered by? Answer, Robert Hooke. What is the size of smallest cell? Answer, 0.1 to 0.5. What is the size of biggest cell? Answer, 170 mm into 130 mm. Amoeba acquires food through which organ? Answer, endocytosis. Cell that have no defined nucleus is known as? Answer, prokaryotic cell. Example of prokaryotic cell? Answer, bacteria and blue-green algae. Answer, eukaryotic cell. Example of eukaryotic cell? Answer, other than bacteria and blue-green algae. CO2 and O2 can move across the cell membrane by which process? Answer, diffusion. The movement of water molecule is known as? Answer, osmosis. The liquid found in cytoplasm is known as? Answer, protoplasm. Lysosome was built by which organelle? Answer, Golgi apparatus. Who is known as powerhouse of the cell? Answer, mitochondria. Who is known as energy currency of the cell? Answer, ATP. Does bacteria has mitochondria? Answer, no. Plastid is present in which cell? Answer, plant cell. Which plastid is known as color plastid? Answer, chromoplast. Which plastid is known as colorless plastid or white plastid? Answer, leucoplast. Plastid contain the pigment chlorophyll that is known as? Answer, chloroplast. Who is work like brain of the cell? Answer, cell nucleus. Chromosomes are made up of? Answer, DNA. Segment of DNA in specific pattern are called? Answer, gene. In prokaryotic DNA float in the cytoplasm seen an area is known as? Answer, nucleoid. Human beings probably have how many chromosomes? Answer, 46. A dog has how many chromosomes? Answer, 78. A peach how many chromosomes? Answer, 12. There are how many types of cell division? Answer, 2. Which is the longest cell in animal? Answer, nerve cell. Which is the smallest human cell? Answer: red blood cell. Largest human cell is? Answer: female ovum. The largest cell in the world is? Answer: egg of ostrich. The smallest cell in the world is? Answer: mycoplasma. In every minute, how many cells die in our body? Answer: 3 million. Cell was first discovered by? Answer: Robert Hooke. The first living cell was discovered by? Answer: Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Cell theory was propounded by? Answer: Sheldon and Swan. Cell wall was discovered by? Answer: Robert Hooke. The substance which provides shape of cell is called? Answer: cell wall. Cell wall is present only in? Answer: plant cell. Cell wall of the body is made up of? Answer: cellulose. The most important function of cell wall is? Answer: to provide structural strength and support. Father of biology? Answer: Aristotle. The cell is enclosed by a thin membrane is called? Answer: cell membrane. Mitochondria was discovered by? Answer: R. Altman in 1894. The term mitochondria was first coined by? Answer: Carl Vanda. Who proposed fluid mosaic model of plasma? Answer: Singer and Nicholson. Who told first that new cell arises from pre-existing cell? Answer: Rudolf Virchow. Largest isolated single cell is? Answer: egg of ostrich. Cell wall is a dash structure. Answer: semi-permeable. Who invented electron microscope? Answer: Knoll and Ruska. The membrane around the vacuole is known as? Answer: tonoplast. Micrographia is a book authored by? Answer: Rudolf Virchow. Which is the largest unicellular organism? Answer: Acetabularia. Robert Hooke used the term cell in which year? Answer: 1665. The term nucleolus was coined by? Answer: Bowman. The most abundant substance of middle lamella? Answer: pectin. The most abundant lipid in the cell membrane is? Answer: sulfolipid. What is the structural element of cell wall? Answer: arabinogalactans. Synthesis of cell wall material takes place in? Answer: dictyosome. Which element mainly present in middle lamella? Answer: calcium. Cell membrane was how many enzyme? Answer: 30. The term mitochondria was first coined by? Answer: Carl Venda. Which is the largest cell organelle? Answer: plastid. Photosynthesis occurs in? Answer: chloroplast. Which is known as kitchen of the cell? Answer: chloroplast. Which metal is the constituent of chlorophyll? Answer: magnesium. Leucoplast found in mainly? Answer: cells of the root. Green color of leaf is due to? Answer: chlorophyll. Tomato is red in color is due to? Answer: lycopene. Carrot is orange in color due to? Answer: carotene. Golgi apparatus was discovered by? Answer: Camillo Golgi. Ribosome are made up of? Answer: RNA and protein. 80s types of ribosome are found in? Answer: eukaryotic cell. 70s types of ribosome are found in? Answer: prokaryotic cell. Centrosome was discovered by? Answer: T. Boveri. Who participate in the formation of spindle during cell division and cilia? Answer: centrioles. Who discovered nucleus? Answer: Robert Brown. Chromosome are made up of? Answer: DNA and protein. The hereditary units of chromosome are? Answer: genes. Mitosis is also known as? Answer: somatic cell division. Which cell division occurs in sexual reproductive system? Answer: meiosis. Which disease is a result of uncontrolled mitosis? Answer: cancer. Meiosis is also known as? Answer: reduction division. A group of similar cells that performs a particular function is called? Answer: tissue. Thank you for watching my video.